You know what I don't have time for? This. Staring at a giant, heavy pot of water, waiting for what feels like an eternity for it to finally start boiling. All that time, all that steam heating up my entire kitchen, just for a few ears of corn. It's how we've always done it. But let's be honest, it feels like a huge waste of time. You're waiting for about 5 to maybe 10 minutes just for the water to get hot, then another 10 to actually cook the corn. That's a 20-minute ordeal for something that should be quick and easy. And sometimes, after all that, the flavor just feels a bit diluted, like it's been washed away. There has to be a better way. Well, what if I told you that you could have this perfectly sweet, incredibly juicy corn, bursting with flavor in a fraction of the time, and with almost no effort? Stick around, because you might just push that giant pot to the back of the cabinet for good. Our kitchens are full of tools designed to make our lives easier and our food more delicious. Today, 2 of those tools are about to become your new best friends for cooking corn. First, I will use the microwave to deliver perfectly steamed corn with practically no mess. Then, I'll show you how to get that amazing roasted flavor using your air fryer. And for the grand finale, I'll share the ultimate corn hack, a combination of both that gives you maximum flavor in minimum time. For the first method, we are going to use the microwave, and we're not even going to shuck the corn first. Here's the problem this solves. Shucking corn can be a pain. The silks get everywhere and sometimes cling heavily to the kernels. This hack gets rid of that problem entirely. The science behind it is simple but brilliant. When you microwave corn in the husk traps the kernel's own moisture, creating a natural steam pouch. This steam not only cooks the corn to a perfect, juicy tenderness, but also loosens all those stubborn silks from the cob. The process couldn't be easier. Just take your fresh ears of corn, husks and all, and place them directly on a plate and into the microwave. No water, no plastic wrap, just the corn. As for cooking time, it depends on how many you're making and your microwave's power. But here's a good guide to start with. For 1 ear of corn, microwave on high for 2 to 4 minutes. For 2 ears, try about 4 to 6 minutes. For 3 or 4 ears, aim for around 8 minutes. Once the microwave dings, this is where the real magic happens. Be careful, the corn will be steaming hot. Use an oven mitt or a kitchen towel to move it to a cutting board. Take a sharp knife and cut off the stalk end of the corn, about an inch or so from the bottom, making sure you slice clean through the cob. Now, grab the corn from the uncut tassel end. Point the cut end down at the board and just give it a good squeeze. The ear of corn will slide right out, perfectly clean, leaving the husk and every single one of those annoying silks behind. It is one of the most satisfying kitchen tricks you'll ever do. What you're left with is a perfectly steamed, bright yellow, piping hot corn with zero silk. The texture is incredible, plump, juicy, and so sweet, because all that flavor was locked inside instead of being leached out into a pot of water. But what if you're craving that smoky, slightly charred flavor of grilled corn, but don't want to fire up the entire barbecue? That's where the air fryer steps in. This method is for anyone who loves a deep, roasted flavor more than the simple sweetness of steamed corn. For this one, you do need to shuck your corn first. Once it's clean, brush the corn lightly with olive oil and sprinkle it generously with salt and/or pepper. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You want that high heat to get a nice char on the outside without drying out the inside. Place the seasoned cobs in the air fryer basket in a single layer. It's important not to crowd them so the hot air can work its magic on all sides. You might need to do this in batches depending on your air fryer's size. Cook the corn for about 10 to 12 minutes, giving the cobs a flip at every 4 minutes. You'll know they're done when the kernels are tender, vibrant, and you see some beautiful, lightly charred brown spots. The result is a totally different experience from boiled or microwaved corn. The dry, circulating heat of the air fryer caramelizes the corn's natural sugars, making it taste richer and nuttier. The kernels are still juicy, but the outside has a wonderful chew and a flavor that can handle some bold seasonings. This is the perfect method for when you want your corn to be a star, not just a side dish. So we've seen the incredible speed of the microwave and the amazing flavor of the air fryer. Now it's time to put them together for what I think is the absolute best way to cook corn on the cob. This two-step method gives you that perfectly steamed, juicy interior from the microwave, plus the beautifully roasted, flavor-packed finish from the air fryer. It's the ultimate shortcut to grilled quality corn without the grill. Here's how you do it. First, follow the microwave method. Take your corn, still in the husk, and microwave it for about 80% of the normal time. So for one ear that would usually take 2 to 4 minutes, just microwave them for about 2 minutes. Once they're out, do the magic shucking trick. Cut the end, squeeze, and you'll have perfectly clean, partially cooked, steaming ears of corn. Now for the flavor bomb. Brush the hot cobs with melted butter or oil and your favorite seasonings. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the seasoned, microwaved corn into the basket. Since the corn is already mostly cooked, you don't need long. We're just looking for that final touch of flavor and texture. Air fry for just 4 to 6 minutes, flipping once. The high heat will quickly roast the outside, creating those delicious charred spots and caramelizing the seasonings onto the kernels, while the inside stays unbelievably tender and juicy from the steaming. This combo is a true game changer. It's faster than boiling, there's hardly any mess, and the result is corn that's sweet, juicy, and packed with roasted flavor. So there you have it. No more waiting on water, no more steam-filled kitchens. Just fast, easy, and delicious corn, cooked perfectly every single time. We've seen how the microwave gives you flawlessly steamed corn in minutes. We've learned how the air fryer delivers that deep roasted flavor, and we've unlocked the ultimate hack by combining them for results that are truly better than boiling. If these hacks just made your cooking a little bit better, do me a favor and hit that like button. And I really want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which method you're going to try first: the microwave miracle, the air fryer roast, or the ultimate combo. And what are your favorite corn toppings? Subscribe for more kitchen hacks that will save you time and make you a hero in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.